Let us start with the next problem, in which we have to construct a PDA that accepts the following language, where L can be, the language can be X or AXA or BXB or AAXA or ABXBA, BAXAB or AAAX So what is this kind of languages? We have a palindrome string. The grammar is a palindrome string with middle symbol always as X. So we at the grammar can be written as S gives you ASA or BSB or X, where X is our center symbol. Now we will be using push down automata for solving this particular problem, and the string suppose that we are considering is ABA, BB, X, BB, A, BA. This is what is our string. So now in this case, what we will be doing is till the middle X, that is the middle symbol X, whatever symbols that we are receiving, whether it is A or B, we will be pushing it onto the stack. We will be pushing that symbol onto the stack. And once we receive the center middle symbol X, after that, whenever we are performing any read operation, for that read operation we are going to check what is there in the stack. So we will be popping the symbol from the stack and check what that symbol is. So if the input symbol that we have received is A, then the stack pop symbol also should be A. If the input symbol that we are receiving is, the symbol that we are reading is suppose B, then the pop symbol should be B only. And once we receive a blank, we will end the input and we will say that the string is a valid string. So we will start the machine. When we receive an A, for this particular A, we are going to push it onto the stack and move and read the next input symbol. Next input symbol is B. We are going to push that symbol also onto the stack. Go and read the next symbol. This is A. Push it onto the stack and move and read the next symbol. Next symbol is B. We are going to push that symbol also onto the stack. Go and read the next symbol. It is B. Read the next symbol. Push it onto the stack and read the next symbol. Now the next symbol that we are reading is X. We are not going to perform any pushing or popping anything from the stack. But now this indicates this is the middle point of our string. So after this, what we have to perform is only popping operation and no pushing operation, because we have reached to the middle of the string. So we should not use the read operation which we have used for performing this part of the string. We will be creating a new read, because no pushing operation should be allowed and only popping operation should be allowed. So for this center X, we have not performed any operation and we are just moving and reading the next symbol. What is this B? For this B, we are going to pop the symbol and check what it is. If it is B, go and read the next symbol. Otherwise, the string will be rejected. We are reading the next symbol. What it is? B. So pop the symbol from the stack, check what it is. If that is also B, the string is a valid till this point. Move ahead. We have received an A. For this particular A, pop the symbol and check what it is. If it is A, accept and move ahead. Now we have received a B. Pop the symbol from the stack and check what it is. If it is B, accept and move ahead. Next input symbol received is A. For this A, pop the symbol, check what it is. If it is A, string is valid till this part and move ahead. Now we are receiving a blank. Once we receive a blank, it indicates that string is a valid string till this part. How we are going to check whether it is valid or not? Pop the symbol from the stack, check what it is. If it is blank, it is valid and accept the string. Right? So how we are going to work with this? We are going to start the machine. We are going to read the input symbol. We are going to perform the read operation. If the symbol that we have read is A, we are going to push it onto the stack. If the symbol that we have read is B, push it that too onto the stack. Till the time we are not receiving any middle symbol X, we are going to push A's and B's back onto the stack. Now once we receive an X, after this X, what we have to perform is popping operation of the symbols. So we are going to perform a new read. This we will call as read 2. For this particular X, we have not performed any pushing or popping operation. Once you once you have received X, after that we are going to perform read. On reading, if you receive B, we are going to pop and check what is there onto the stack. If that was also B, continue the reading job. If while performing the read operation, if we receive an A, that means what? On popping up, we should get an A only. So if you receive an A, continue. When you are performing the read to operation and you get a blank, what does it mean? The string has ended. So when we pop, at that time what we should receive? A blank. At that time the string should be accepted. Now, when we were reading B and instead of on popping, instead of B, if we receive an A, what does it mean? The string is a invalid string because we were expecting a B and we have received an A. So the string should be rejected. When we have read A and instead of receiving popping A, what if we pop a B? The string should be rejected. When we are reading blank and instead of blank, what if we get a popped symbol as A or B? In that case, the string is again an invalid string and will be rejecting it. So this is what are the conditions for reject.